Here's how to run custom code on the fly while debugging your app. Let's place a breakpoint and run the project in debug mode. Now you may be familiar with windows like the watch window. It allows you to read values. But what if you wanted to execute a piece of code, like a method call or a variable assignment, one time and that's it? That's where a different window comes in. Go to Debug, Windows, Immediate. After that, you will see a blank window. In our case, this window will accept C# code. As an experiment, let's declare a variable called debug message and assign something to it. Press enter to execute the line. Now let's call our helper method next and pass over the variable we just declared. Press enter again, and if you check the console, you will see that the code was executed and we generated an additional message. Now, if you happen to want to run the same command again, you can use up and down arrows to cycle through what you entered previously. And there we go. You now know how to use Immediate window.